Definite integrals part 11.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. Find the area bounded between the curves y is equal to x square and y is equal to root x. So, see the solution. Given curves y is equal to x square and y is equal to root x. Now first you need to find point of intersection of two curves. So here that is root x is equal to x square. So squaring on both sides, so you will get x power 4 minus x is equal to 0. Now x is common, you will get x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Okay. If you put x is equal to 0, y value also 0. If you put x is equal to 1, y value also 1. So point of intersections are 0, 0 and 1, 1. Okay. Now after finding the point of intersection of two curves, we have to draw the graph of given curves. Consider the coordinate axis. See the first one, x square equals to y. So it in the form of x square equals to 4ay. So clearly it represents a parabola. And this parabola opens positive y-axis side. So like this. So this is the graph of y is equal to x square. Okay. So next to draw the graph of y is equal to root x. See here, if x is equal to 1, y value is 1. If x is equal to 2, so y is equal to root 2. That is 1.414. Now clear is here. This is the point of one of the point of intersection, and another one is 1, 1. Suppose this is 1, 1. So this is the graph of y is equal to root x. Okay. Now here you need to find this area. So clearly here in this, what is the upper curve? Upper curve is y is equal to root x and lower curve is y is equal to x square. So therefore the required area is a is equal to integral. So your limits are x coordinates 0 to 1. So you have to integrating with respect to x. See here upper curve is what? Root x minus lower curve is what? X square in the interval 0 to 1 dx. Now this is integral 0 to 1 root x right as x to the power of 1 by 2 dx minus integral 0 to 1 x square dx. So this is x power 1 by 2 plus 1. That is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So within the limits 0 to 1 and minus x cube by 3. So within the limits 0 to 1. Now this is 2 by 3 into, apply the upper limit first, 1 minus lower limit is 0. And here 1 by 3 into, substitute x is equal to 1 upper limit, that is 1 minus x is equal to 0 is 0. Okay. So clearly this is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 square units. So this is the required area. So here second solution, find the area of one of the curvilinear triangle. So here curvilinear triangle means the triangle formed with curves. So that is called as curvilinear triangle. Bounded by y is equal to sin x, y is equal to cos x and x axis. So here given curves y is equal to sin x and y is equal to cos x. Now here find the point of intersection of two curves. See here sin x is equal to cos x. So clearly x is equal to pi by 4. If you substitute x is equal to pi by 4, then value is pi by 4 comma 1 by 2. So this is the point of intersection of two curves. Now draw the graph of given curves. So for that consider the coordinate axis. So here 0, pi by 4 and pi by 2. 0.5, 1. Okay. So here minus 0.5, minus 1. So first to draw the graph of sin x. So sin 0, 0. Sin pi by 4, 1 by root, that is 0 point something. So next to sin 90, so value is 1. So this is the graph of sin x. So clearly this is the graph of y is equal to sin x. So next you have to draw the graph of y is equal to cos x. So what is cos 0 value? 1. And cos pi by 4 value? 1 by root 2. And cos 90 value? That is 0. So this is the graph of cos x. Y is equals to cos x. Here this is the curvilinear triangle. So the triangle formed with the curves. So this triangle is called curvilinear triangle. Now you need to find area of one of the curvilinear triangle. So here you need to find area of this triangle. Okay. So here interval is what? 0 to pi by 2. So here you have to divide this interval into subinterval. So see here 0 to pi by 4. So clearly see here between the interval 0 to pi by 4. So this area, that is what? Sin x graph and x axis. So therefore the required area A is equals to integral 0 to pi by 4. So what is this graph? Sin x. Okay. Plus integral pi by 4 to pi by 2. So what is this graph? Cos x. Okay. See here, what is the integration of sin x? That is minus cos x within the interval 0 to pi by 4. Plus integration of cos x, that is sin x, so within the interval pi by 4 to pi by 2. Now this is cos pi by 4 value minus cos pi by 4 plus cos 0 plus here sin pi by 2 minus sin pi by 4. So you know that cos pi by 4 value minus 1 by root 2, cos 0 value is 1, and sin pi by 2 value, that is 1, and sin pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2. So clear, this is 2 times of root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay. So this is what? Root 2 into root 2 minus 1. Again this is 2 minus root 2. So here 2 minus root 2 square units. So this is the required area. So see the third solution. Find the area bounded by the curves y is equal to x square and y is equal to x cube. So see here given curves y is equal to x square. This is first equation, and y is equal to x cube. This is equation 2. Okay. So here you need to find point of intersection of two curves. So that is x square is equal to x cube. So from this x square is common, you will get x minus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0, x is equals to 1. If you put x is equals to 0, what is y value? 0. If you put x is equals to 1, what is y value? 1. So clearly point of intersections are 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. Suppose this is O and this is P. Now draw the graph of y is equal to x square and y is equal to x cube. So consider the coordinate axis. Now see here, first to draw the graph of y is equal to x square. So clearly it in the form of x square equal to 4ay. So it represents the parabola, and this parabola opens positive y-axis side. So this one. So this is the graph of y is equal to x square. So what are the point of intersection of two curves? 0, 0 and 1, 1. So this one and this one. Okay. So that are the point of intersection of two curves. Now here you need to find what is the upper curve and what is the lower curve. Now here you have to draw the graph of y is equal to x cube. So here for example x is equals to 0. So what is the y value? 0. X is equals to 1 by 2. So what is the y value? 1 by 8. X is equals to 1. Y is equals to 1. X is equals to 2. Y is equals to 8. But in y is equal to x square graph, see here, x, y, x0, y0, x 1 by 2. So what is the y value? 1 by 4. x1, y1, x2, y4. Now see here 1 by 8, here 1 by 4. So clearly 1 by 8 value, that is 0.1 something, and 1 by 4 value, that is 0.25. Y is equal to x cube, x0, y0. At x is equals to 1 by 2, y value is 1 by 8. So it value is 0.1. Suppose this is 1 by 2, so value is 0.1. This one. But here at x is equals to 1 by 2, y value is 0.25. So this one. So this is the point on y is equal to x square. So this is the point on y is equal to x cube. And at x is equals to 1, y value 1. Here also y value 1. So clearly like this. And see here, at x is equals to 2, y value 8. At x is equals to y value 4. Okay. So clearly like this. So clearly this is y is equal to x cube graph. So now here you need to find this area. Okay. So clearly between the interval 0 to 1, what is the upper curve? X square is the upper curve, x cube is the lower curve. So between 1 to 2, this one upper and this one lower. Okay. Now therefore the required area is A is equals to integral. So here take the limits are x coordinates, that are 0 and 1. So 0 to 1. And we have to integrating with respect to x. Here what is the upper curve? X square. And what is the lower curve? X cube dx. Okay. Now integrating, this is integral 0 to 1 x square dx minus integral 0 to 1 x cube dx. Okay. Now this is x cube by 3. Within the limit 0 to 1, integration of x cube, x power 4 by 4 within the limit 0 to 1. Now this is 1 by 3. Here this is 1 by 4. Okay. So this is 1 by 12 square units. So this is the required area. So see the fourth one. Find the area between the line y is equals to 0 and y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Now see here, given y is equals to 0, this is equation 1, and y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. So this is equation 2. So first you need to find point of intersection of equation 1 and equation 2. So substitute here, x square minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. So this is x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equals to 0. So clearly what are the x values? 1 comma x is equal to 3. If you substitute x is equals to 1, so what is the y value? 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. So clearly A and B are point of intersection of curve and line. Now draw the graph of given curve. So consider the coordinate axis. This is x-axis, y-axis. So clear, this is origin. Okay. Now here, what is the given curve? Y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. So here this can be written as x minus half value of 4, that is 2 whole square minus 4 plus 3 is equals to y. Now here this can be written as x minus 2 whole square is equals to y plus 1. So it in the form of x minus h whole square is equals to 4a into y minus k. Okay. So clearly this equation represents parabola and it is in the form of x square is equals to 4a waveform. Okay. So this parabola opens positive y-axis side. And what is the center of this parabola? 2 comma minus 1. So clearly this is the center of the parabola. Okay. And what are the point of intersection of given line, that is x-axis and curve, that is 1 comma 0, 3 comma 0. So these are the point of intersection of x-axis and curve. And it in the form of x square equal to 4ay. So clear, this parabola opens positive y-axis side. So like this. Okay. Now you need to find the area of this. So therefore the required area is A is equals to, so here integral 1, 2, 3. So take the x coordinates, integral 1, 2, 3. So we have to integrating with respect to x. So what is the upper curve here? So this one is upper and this one is the lower. So write 0 minus this. So 0 minus which one? This one. X square minus 4x plus 3 dx. So because of the graph lies below the x-axis and you have to write minus. Okay. Now see here, this is minus integral 1, 2, 3 x square dx. Okay. And minus 4 into integral 1, 2, 3 x dx. Okay. Next plus 3 into integral 1, 2, 3 1 dx. Now this is what? See here, minus, you know that integration of x square is x cube by 3. So within the limits 1, 2, 3 and minus 4 into integration of x dx, x square by 2 within the limits 1, 2, 3 and plus 3 into integration of 1 dx, that is x within the limits 1, 2, 3. So now this is minus of, apply the upper limit first, 3 cube 27 by 3, that is 9 minus lower limit 1 by 3 minus 4 into, apply the upper limit first, 3 square, that is 9 by 2 and lower limit 1 square by 2, that is 1 by 2. And this is 3 into, upper limit is 3 and lower limit is 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. Now clearly this is what? Minus 9 plus 6, 15 minus 1 by 3 and here 9 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. So 4 into 4 is 16. Now clearly again this is minus of minus 1 minus 1 by 3. So this is minus 4 by 3 into minus. You will get 4 by 3 square units. So this is the required area. See the question number 5. Find the area bounded by the curve y square equal to 3x and x is equal to 3. So here given y square equal to 3x, this is equation 1 and x is equals to 3, this is equation 2. So first you need to find point of intersection of 1 and 2. So that is y square is equals to 9. So y is equals to plus or minus 3. So therefore what is the point of intersections? 3 comma 3 and 3 comma minus 3. So these two are the point of intersection of both equations. Now draw the graph of y square equal to 3x and x is equal to 3. Now consider the coordinate axis. So first to draw the x is equal to 3 line. So clearly this is parallel to y axis at a distance 3 units from the origin. So this line is x is equal to 3. And here what are the point of intersection of both equations 3 comma 3, 3 comma minus 3. So this one and this one 3 comma minus 3. Okay. Now see here it in the form of y square equal to 4x. So it represents parabola and this parabola opens positive x-axis. So like this. Okay. Now you need to find this area. So therefore the required area. So this area. So clear this is integral 0 to 3. So here both areas are same. Okay, na? Above the x-axis area and below the x-axis area both are same. So this can be written as 2 times of, see here, 2 times of integral 0 to 3. So clear this curve is y square is equal to 3x. So y is equals to root 3 into root x. Okay. So right here upper curve is what? Y is equal to root 3 root x and lower is x-axis. So therefore 2 times of integral 0 to 3 because of above the x-axis area and below the x-axis area both are same. So that's why I am writing 2 times. So 2 times integral 0 to 3 root 3 root x dx. Now this is 2 root 3 into integration of root x, that is x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 within the limits 0 to 3. Now this is 2 into 2, so 4 by root 3. Here what is the upper limit? 3. So write 3 power 3 by 2, lower limit is 0. Now again this can be written as 4 by root 3 into 3 power 3 by 2, write as 3 root 3. So root 3 get cancelled, 12 square units. Okay. So this is the required area. So see the question number 1. Here find the area under the curve y is equal to sin x in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So here given curve y is equal to sin x. Okay. Now you have to draw the graph of sin x. See here x value, y value. Now at x is equals to 0, what is the y value? Sin 0, 0. At x is equals to pi by 2. So what is the y value? 1. And at x is equals to pi, sin pi value 0. And at x is equals to 3 pi by 2. So value is minus 1. At x is equals to 2 pi, value is 0. Now draw the graph of sin x. So between the interval 0 to 2 pi. So consider the coordinate axis. This is 0 and this is pi by 2. This is pi and this is 3 pi by 2. So this is 2 pi. So this is 1, here minus 1. Y axis, x axis. Okay. So first at x is equals to 0. So what is the y value? 0. So this one. At x is equals to pi by 2, y value is 1. This one. At x is equals to pi 0. At x is equal to 3 by pi 2 minus 1. At x is equal to 2 pi 0. So this is the graph of sin x. Okay. Now you need to find this area. Okay. And see here you need to find this area. So clearly between the interval 0 to pi the graph lies above the x-axis, and between the interval pi to 2 pi the graph lies below the x-axis. Okay, na? So therefore the required area is a is equals to integral 0 to pi f of x dx, that is sin x dx, and between the interval pi to 2 pi lies below So between the interval pi to 2 pi, the graph lies below the x-axis. So write minus integral pi to 2 pi sin x dx. Now clear, this is what integration of sin x minus cos x within the limit 0 to pi minus again integration of sin x minus cos x. So here write plus cos x within the limits pi to 2 pi. So this is minus of cos pi minus cos 0. Again cos 2 pi minus cos pi. So clearly this is cos pi value minus 1, cos 0 value 1. So minus 1, cos 2 pi value 1, cos pi value minus 1. So plus 1. So this is 2 plus 2, 4 square units. So this is the required area. Okay. Or this can be also written as here. Required area is integral. So here 0 and pi and 2 pi. So see here clearly pi is the midpoint of 0 and 2 pi and this both areas are same. So this can be written as 2 times of integral 0 to pi sin x dx. So what is the integration of 0 to pi sin x dx? That is minus of minus 2. You will get 2. So this is 2 into 2. So 4 square units. Okay. So this is the required area. So see the next one. Find the area bounded by the curve y square minus 1 equals to x and x is equals to 0. So see here given y square minus 1 is equals to 2x. So this is y square is equals to 2x plus 1. This is equation 1. And x is equals to 0. This is equation 2. So first we need to find point of intersection of curve and line. So that is y square is equals to 1. From this y is equals to plus or minus 1. So therefore the point of intersections are what? 0 comma 1 and 0 comma minus 1. So these two are point of intersection of curve and line. Now I have to draw the graph of curve and line. So consider the coordinate axis. Now see here y square is equals to 2x plus 1. So how to write this one? Y minus 0 whole square is equals to 2 times of x minus of minus 1 by 2. So it in the form of y minus k whole square is equals to 4a into x minus h. So clearly this reference parabola whose center is what? Minus 1 by 2 comma 0. So clearly minus 0.5 comma 0 is the center of this parabola. And it in the form of y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus x. So clearly this parabola opens positive x-axis cell. And what is the point of intersections? 0 comma 1, 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma 1, 0 comma minus 1. So this one. So this is the given parabola, that is y square is equals to 2x plus 1. Okay. Now you need to find this area. So clear, this is our what? 0 comma 1, 0 comma minus 1. So here take the y coordinates as limits. See here, therefore the required area is a is equals to integral minus 1 to 1. So integrating with respect to y and take x of the right curve minus x of the left curve. So clearly x of the right curve, that is 0 minus left curve. So write x value from this. So what is x value? 1 by 2 times of y square minus 1. So because of here we have to take the y coordinates. So we have to write x terms. Okay. So that is 0 minus this one. X of right curve, that is 0 minus x of left curve, that one is 1 by 2 into y square minus 1. So dy. Now this is minus 1 by 2 into integral minus 1 to 1 y square minus 1 dy. Now again this is what? Minus 1 by 2 into integration of minus 1 to 1 y square dy minus integral minus 1 to 1 dy. So this is minus 1 by 2 into integration of y square, that is y cube by 3 within the limits minus 1 to 1. Integration of 1 dy is y within the limits minus 1 to 1. And this is minus 1 by 2 into, apply the upper limit first, 1 by 3 minus, and lower limit you will get plus 1 by 3. So minus this one, apply the upper limit 1 and lower limit plus 1. Okay, so 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. So this is minus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 minus 2. So this is minus 1 by 2 into 2 minus 6 minus 4 by 3. So 2 1 2 2. So this is 2 by 3 square units. So this is the required area. So for next session we will discuss more problems.